Prepare to bend reality as we dive into creating mesmerizing AI melting videos with Higgsfield. First, select your base image. This could be a photograph, a digital illustration, or even a frame from a video. Think about the emotion or atmosphere you want to convey. A happy face can melt into joyous abandon, or a desolate landscape can dissolve into ethereal beauty. Upload your chosen image into Higgsfield. Here, you'll find a suite of AI-powered tools designed to deconstruct and reimagine your visuals. Begin by experimenting with the Distortion Intensity. This is your primary tool for achieving that signature melting effect. Gradually increase it to see how the pixels begin to flow and deform, creating a liquid-like appearance. Next, explore the flow direction options. You can choose preset directions, even let the AI interpret the image to dictate the movement. This adds a dynamic and unpredictable element to your melt. Now, let's play with color. Higgsfield's AI can intelligently shift and blend colors as the image distorts. Experiment with vibrant palettes for a psychedelic feel or muted tones for a more somber mood. To add another layer of visual interest, introduce particle effects. These delicate, generative particles can enhance the sense of fluidity and add a touch of magic as they interact with the melting forms. For true animation, utilize keyframing. Set points in time to control how the distortion, color, and particle effects evolve. This allows you to craft a narrative within the melting process itself. Combine these elements, tweak the parameters, and let your creativity guide you to generate truly unique and captivating AI melting videos that will leave your audience spellbound.